Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me again, Ma'am Fabia. Before we are going to start with our new lesson, let us first review our past lesson. It's all about the 5 health-related fitness and the 2 barriers in physical activities. So what are the 5 health-related fitness? Number 1, the cardiovascular endurance. 2, muscular strength. 3, muscular endurance. 4, flexibility. And the last one is the body compositions. So there are 2 barriers in physical activities. The first one is the personal barriers, and the second one, the environmental barriers. Last week, I had given you an activity, the Zumba activity. So what does it feel? Ano yung naramdaman mo nung naisagawa mo yung Zumba activity mo? Anyway, class, there are so many benefits of Zumba activity. Number 1, it's for fun. Number 2, great for weight loss. 3, tone your entire body. 4, boost your heart health. Maganda po ito sa ating mga puso. 5, help you distress. Lalo na ngayon, may pandemic. So, dapat you are physically fit to do what you want and to go wherever you want to go. 6, improves coordination. And the last is makes you happy. So, it makes you happy if you are physically fit. Sabi nga nila, knowing is not enough, we must apply. So, kung alam mo rin lang, i-apply mo na. Willing is not enough, we must do. Kung willing kang talagang gawin isang bagay, ito po ay magagawa mo. So with that, let us proceed to our new lesson. It's all about set fit goals based on training principles. In this lesson, we have the 2 objectives. Set fit goals based on training principles to achieve and more maintain health-related fitness. Number 2, engage in moderate to vigorous physical activities for at least 60 minutes most days of the week in variety of settings in and out of school. So there are 3 principles of training. Effective training takes time and patience. If one adheres to proper principles of training, results will definitely be seen. Performance will be improved and physiological changes will occur as well. A proper program of exercise keeps in mind 3 principles of training. So these are overload principle, progressive principle, and specificity principle. So what is overload principle? This states that the only way to gain health benefits through physical involvement is to place a higher demand on the body to exert more effort than it normally does. The added load increases the demand and the body is forced to adapt to this increased demand. The second one is the progression principle. This explains that the level of intensity of your exercises should be increased gradually. So may progression, yung ginagawa mo activity. When your body adapts to increased demand, the activity becomes easier for you to perform. Thus, you will be exerting less effort. The last one principle is the specificity principle. This explains a specific type of exercise bring out a specific output. So it's specific. So if you want to improve your cardiovascular endurance, then do the activities meant to improve cardiovascular endurance such as jogging, jumping rope, and biking. But if you want to develop or to improve your muscular strength, weightlifting is the best way. It's the best activity you can do. But if you want to improve your muscular endurance, push-up or planking is the best activity you can do, and so on and so forth. So those are the principal training. Now, what is FIT? F-I-T-T. FIT will help you assist your physical activity to produce health-related fitness. F stands for frequency, I for intensity, T for time, and T for type. For example, you have the type of activity, which is the Zumba, and the time for your activity is 2 minutes, and the intensity is the Zumba because yun lang ang kaya mong gawin as of now. Then the frequency is 1 week, that is 7 days. So, paano mo i-apply ngayon si fit? So, for example, the type of activity is Zumba, and your time is 2 minutes, huwag kang mag 3 minutes in the other day. Dahil hindi mo na masusunod si fit. Kung 2 minutes na diretso yan. That is your time. Intensity. Kung ang type of activity mo is Zumba, huwag kang magpapalit ng type, which is maybe jogging, walking, swimming. No. Hindi mo na masusunod si fit. So, gawin mo yung type of activity mo in 1 week. That's 7 days. That is frequency. So, that is fit. How to set fit goals? Okay, fit goals vary per individual. Hindi po ito by group or hindi ito may kasama kang gagawa. The best way is to first know your threshold or the limits of you can do per type of activity. Ito yung na-explain ko kanina. Check for the personal limits in frequency, intensity, time, and type of activity. From there, you can set targets increases in performance. Set fit goals the smart way. In a smart way naman po tayo. S for specific, M for measurable, A for attainable, R for realistic, and T for timely. In a specific, dapat detailed as possible. In measurable, accessible, or quantifiable. In attainable, neither too easy nor too hard. Realistic, attainable and possible, and in timely, within a specific time frame. So that is the smart way. How to design your fitness program? So, mag-design ka ng fitness program mo. All you have to do is, 1. Define your personal needs. From this, gather information about your fitness status, stress level, and nutrition profile. Personal fulfilling will assist you in focusing on your personal needs. The second one is to evaluate your program selection. Assess the types of activities that are available to you. So, huwag kang gagawa ng activity na hindi po available yung mga apparatus na gagamitin mo. Number 3, set clear goals. Cope up with SMART goals and list your own long-term and short-term goals. So, gagamitin mo dito si SMART goals. The fourth one is organize your program and put it into writing. So, prepare a detailed plan, include the type of activity, time of the day, and time of repetition. So, I have here an example. Your day is Monday. The activity is push-up. Your time is 5 p.m. Andyan din ang repetition mo, week 1 and week 2. And the last one is the most important. Keep a record and evaluate your fitness program. So, prepare a 2-week plan that evaluates yourself. Assess if you were able to meet your goals or if you think your program is effective. So, dito mo makikita kung effective ba yung ginawa mo activity. So, with that, those are the fitness program. Thank you for listening. So, if you have any queries or concern about our lesson for today, you can contact me on my number or you can message me on my messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and God bless.